Okay, so we can cross-reference like a power index, like a reference librarian, a master librarian, the cosmic records, the eternal living crystalline records of all creation, every record. And so I'll share with you what I shared with the Goldfuss report yesterday, what I refer to in using the English language, power run-ups. So we know what a power run-up is, right? The electric side. Increasing the strength of the tribal shield tree. Breathing the silver gold mated core. The true still point of a real vacuum. That's real life. That's real light. First light, first rays of light, inner crystal rainbows. Aurora, the roar of light. Or, like auric, the auric, or, ur, uthre, umae tre inae, eka shale, iana, iani, aya, kundre aya. So this morning, I woke up around 5:30 and I'm experiencing the flux. The electric and the magnetic join together as one to experience breathing as one. 90 on the vertical, 90 on the horizontal. So the left side, my magnetic side, the magnetic side, the left side, magnetic side, like your left foot. I had a headache. The torque, the resistance factor, the mathematical resistance factor to experience breathing 0 degrees. Okay, increasing the power of the shield increases what? The immunity function of breathing. So when I got up, I thought, okay, no problem. I'll go out and I do breathing exercises. And after about 5 minutes, sure enough, I kicked out mucus. That's my asthma. Clearing the lung field of my asthma is clearing congestion of gene swarming codes that are parasitic, which is AI codes, simulator codes, game trap codes, the imitation game, mimickers, bots, robots, iRobot. Yeah. And so I cleared it. Now I'm back in a state of perfect balance. I'm still playing. And then after about, maybe 45 minutes, I'm experiencing resistance again in my lower right quadrant of my back. That's a resistance factor. To breathe, 90 on the vertical, 90 on the horizontal. Breathing with the core. The internal core. The eternal life force field. Increasing the life force power. And that's an index called a power index. As cross-referencing files of what? CDs. Radioactive memory-driven radio programs. The radiographics. The radio codes. The frequency of codes. The frequency of water. Protoplasma. First water. First rays of light. The eternal sun. Eternal sunlight. Yeah. That's the one I serve. I'm on yeah. So yeah, we're clearing the lung field. Yeah, now we're breathing better codes, which are healing codes, the liquid aquifers. Agua. Agua. Tiwa Aya. Have a beautiful day.